Good morning, Puffins. How are you today? Alright? Right, should we say hello to all of our friends? Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Puffins. Right, it's an unlucky day number-wise on the number line today, if that's what you believe in, and in number blocks. You shouldn't say it aloud because things happen. What number do you think it's going to be? Let's go and see. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I like the number 13 though. Not unlucky for me. 13. Oh, actually, can you hear that at the end of that word? Teen. 13. Now, you often call these numbers, all of them, the teen numbers, because after 13, if you listen, you've got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So when we're talking about the numbers that have 110, we will refer to them often as the teen numbers, because that's how most of them end. Alright? But weirdly, it doesn't go 13, it says 13. Now, if you think of the number 3, if you're having a race and the person who wins the race comes first, the next person comes second, and if you were in the place number 3, you would come third. So in the number 13, I suppose, look, that's where you've got your link, third and 13 instead of 3-teen. Alright? So, odd or even, number 13? What do you think? It's odd. Look, actually, the number 3 is odd, and 13 ending with the number 3 is odd. And look, number 1 and number 11 ending with the number 1 are both odd. Let's count in twos, starting from the odd numbers today. So we're going to go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Right. And yesterday, what day was it yesterday? It was Monday, the start of a new week. What day comes next? What day's after Monday? What do you think? Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. Now, I'm going to start my brain power sheet today. So I'm going to put down how many hours sleep I've had. I'm going to count how many glasses of water I drink and what I have for breakfast in a bit. And any exercise I do, and I'll do it again Wednesday, and then on Thursday morning I'll show you what I did. Let's see what, and then we'll see what you did too. Okay, right. So today's quite a normal day. Go noodle, handwriting, phonics, the morning challenge. I'm going to see if you can get something to do with music or singing. You enjoy that, won't you, mums and dads? Maths, and then a bit of boogie time, and the afternoon challenge will be the body, and I think it's the skeleton this afternoon. Ooh, like the funny bones. And then Flat Stanley, chapter 3. So I hope you have a lovely day. Now, I'm going to put the months of the year out in order. You can if you want to. You don't have to, because you can see it on the video. And then I want you to see if there's something not right, okay? So there's the months. Have a look. What's not right? Give you a few seconds to have a look. Something's in the wrong order. Have you spotted it? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Did you see where I went wrong? January, February. That doesn't say March. That says April. Look, they're in the wrong order. So, we've already talked about January, haven't we? Beginning of the year, New Year's Day, celebrating a new year. February, talking about Valentine's Day. Now March, can you see it's got a different colour border? This one here had the blue and the snowflakes. This one here's green and has got flowers, hasn't it? That's because January and February are considered to be in the winter, And once you get to March, you get the next season. Do you know what season comes after winter? It's the one where flowers and things begin to grow again after the winter. It is spring. So March is the start of spring. So that's an important month, isn't it? It's when you'll see lots of flowers starting to appear and grow. If you think about a special day in March as well, which is Mother's Day, where you celebrate and say thank you to your mum for all the things that she does for you. And Mother's Day, I always think about a certain flower that definitely appears and grows, which is a daffodil. So March is a special month because lots of things begin to grow. It's the start of spring. All right. Let's see you in a bit.